Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm looking at the gorgeous 1010 Waugh, the 1010 Waugh in Houston, Texas. This is in the Montrose, Texas. Look at these views. Look at this floor-to-ceiling windows views, and you've got downtown Houston right there. This is an all-new apartment, just opened up very recently. In this case, it's overlooking the pool. But this is a fantastic high-rise, and look at this amount of space that's here. It's just stunning. It's got all this space to entertain, to enjoy, and you've got just window after window after window to love on. And you can get on that balcony and check out things anytime. You've got a huge kitchen to support having a lot of people over here. I mean, this is the kind of apartment where you could have like 20 people over here and really enjoy things. You can have all sorts of seating. There's sectional seating. You can have tables or just kind of keep it open and have a dancing jam session. That's what it would be, super fun. So this is what it looks like here, and it's just a beautiful apartment. If you'd like to get some more information about this, send me a text and we can set up a virtual live tour on your iPhone. Be happy to do that anytime. We can do it as early as today. That's my number below. Send me a text.